Once upon a time, in the vibrant heart of Jamaica during the colorful 1970s, there was a young woman named Black Beauty. She was known far and wide for her grace and elegance, her movements as fluid and captivating as the island's gentle breeze. Black Beauty was a ballet dancer. Her dream was to dance her way into the hearts of everyone, to bring a little piece of her soul to life on stage. But behind her radiant smile was a secret. Her heart was quietly beating for her ballet teacher, Charlie. Charlie was a man of gentle strength, with kind eyes that held stories of love and longing. He had devoted himself to teaching Black Beauty, not just as a dancer, but as a young woman with dreams and a fiery spirit. Every morning, he would arrive at the studio before sunrise, eager to see her glide across the wooden floors, her tutu catching the light like a shimmering wave. One evening, after a long day of rehearsals, Charlie took Black Beauty to a quiet spot by the sea. The sun was setting, painting the sky in shades of gold and fiery red. As they sat on the warm sand, Charlie finally gathered the courage to speak. His voice was tender yet filled with emotion. "Black Beauty," he whispered, "your dance is like the island itself, full of passion, life, and beauty. But I've come to realize that my love for you is more than just admiration. It's a fire that burns brighter each day I watch you dance, and I can't hide it anymore." Black Beauty looked at him, her heart pounding like the drums at a reggae festival. She knew deep down that her feelings echoed his. Slowly, she reached out, her hand trembling but sure, and took his. In that moment, beneath the Caribbean sky, their worlds collided. Two souls intertwined by love, passion, and the magic of the island. From that day on, their love story became a legend, a warm and intense romance that danced through the hearts of everyone who heard it, reminding all that sometimes the most beautiful stories are written with the language of love, right in the rhythm of life itself.